of those. Open your mouth.
Eat it, it's candy. Yummy.
This is too much. No, this is just a small little bag. Oh.
What is your mouth doing?
What?
You like it?
Good job. Here.
You like it?
Here.
Open up. Go.
More? I can hear it getting really loud.
You like it?
No, I just
Alright, say bye-bye.
You want some more?
You just pour that whole bag in his mouth. Come here.
Look,
Come here.
Come here, open your mouth.
Come here to mommy. Come here, hurry.
Come on, go. Come on.
Come here.
Fast. Come on.
Come here.
Open your
Come here.
mouth.
Open your mouth. Go. Go. What is that noise? Listen.
It's just black.
Say bye-bye. Mwah. Oh, thank you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say duh, Bubby. Say duh, Bubby. Say duh, Bubby. Alright, bye-bye. He went hungry.
Where did you get those?
Church.
Oh.
I'm looking forward to going to church again.
Okay.